How to add friends in Line app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to add friends in Line app. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, make sure that you download and install Line application via Play Store or App Store and launch the application by tapping on it. It may take a few moments to load. Wait for it and make sure to sign in to your account. Once loaded, tap on Friends option and then select Add Friends button. So here are different options to add friends. In order to invite someone, you can easily tap Invite button and choose to send an invitations via text, email, WhatsApp, or Facebook. To add via QR code, tap the QR code option. Alternatively, you can search by their name or ID or even by phone number. You can easily tap on Auto Add Friends to auto add contacts as friends by tapping on Allow button. Now tap Allow to access. You can even register your number to automatically add friends from your device contacts. So currently we are not doing so. If you want to do that, you can easily do. So with this, you are good to go and will add friends in Line app. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.